Hey, check this out. We have got the Titan TTB653SDS 5.9kg electronic plus drill. Ooh. It has a 1500 watt motor, and it has drill, hammer drill and chisel capabilities. It has a built-in anti-vibration system, a mechanical safety clutch, a magnesium gearbox, obviously an on-off switch, otherwise you won't be able to turn it on, silly. It has a variable speed rate, and replaceable carbon bushes supplied. That's handy. Now the cable length for this drill is 3 meters. And again, going over the product contents, we get the obvious TTB653SDS drill, we get an auxiliary handle supplied, we get 5 SDS plus masonry drill bits, consisting of a 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14mm bits. We get 2 chisels, one of them being flat and the other one having a point. And one other thing that's handy is we get this nice hard carry case. Ooh. Now the price for this Titan drill, we got this from SCREWFIX, which is a DIY store here in the UK. And we got it for £70. That's around about 83 in US dollars. Now the question is, would this be good to get rid of a concrete base? Well, we had a real thick concrete base in our back garden. In fact, we was building a brand new studio, which is this studio just here. Look at this. Yeah, we managed to build a 20-foot studio in our back garden, but this little sucker right here, this concrete base was getting right in our way. And we needed the right tool. So yeah, we found this Titan drill from SCREWFIX.com and it did the bloody trick, and trust me now guys, it would take you very little effort when using this drill. But yeah, this is just a very quick look at the Titan drill, and if you're questioning, should I buy one of these things? Will it actually help me? It will help you, otherwise you're going to knock your back out using a pickaxe or other various tools that you might have. But other than that, you can use it for electrical cables, drilling through proper solid concrete walls, and it's just a nice handy tool to have, store away. And by the way, that storage case actually comes in real handy, keeping the damp away from the motor when it's in your shed, or indeed in your tool cupboard in your house. So if you want to check this out for yourself, I've left a little link in the video description down below. And if you've liked what you've seen in this very quick review, okay, yes, I've not gone into detail or anything like that. I've just had this for too long stored and I've absolutely forgot about reviewing it. But if you want to check it out for yourself, there's a link in the video description down below, and I'd very much appreciate if you just support us right now by liking this video, sharing it wherever possible, and subscribing to our channel, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our very next upload. Now speaking of uploads, if you want to actually look at some real in-depth reviews of other power tools, we've got better videos just here. Look at this one. Yeah, now if you want to click it you can, or you can wait for this one just there. Look at this staple gun here. You could staple your wife's head to the curtain if you want. No? Alright then, well stay around for our very next tech review video, coming real soon. Peace.